Yeah. Up in Lexus like it's 07, I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year I know you learned your lesson, I could GPS you if you need a dressing. What's up, I'm the bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, they was spitting on me, but I'm young, money got it written on me. Okay, now we got some action. Everything was said it happened. That boy light is Michael Jackson. But on verses he been blacking. Chasing women a distraction. They will be on TV right next to me. You cannot be here right next to me.
Okay, I got a dumbass haircut yesterday and it looked like a cartoon character. I'm gonna have to go get somebody to fix this thing, but we're going snowboarding. Okay, here we go. Oh, wrong side.
Definitely.
I'm so city.
Hey, come on, you don't have to always act like the camera's there, right? Oh my god, the dog, I forgot. This is exit. Oh, that's so awkward. That's so awkward. Alright, food first, then the mountain. We're stopping at our little spot. I'll put up a little sign of it, but then we're gonna head straight to Attitash, which is on the Epic Pass, so we can go there whenever we want. It's like an hour from the house. Grab food on the way, coffee on the way, run to Attitash, get dressed in the parking lot, and then boom, right to the lift. So we'll probably do this for a couple hours. We never really push it. We're not like big fans of, oh, because we're going skiing, we have to ski 75 runs. We're like, nah, let's go. When we feel like we're done, we're done. That way we don't get injured, we don't overtire ourselves, and we can actually just enjoy it. So that's the beauty of having an annual pass.
Enjoy what you have rather than desiring what you don't have.
Thanks.
You got, this thing's heavy.
Reveal it to me.
What? What? I mean, if you do.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Some taters. Oh, well, there's salsa and sour cream too. Ooh, that purple looks good.
Probably want the salsa. Woo!
I can't stand for one place. Go say my back on my teacher me. Only you to feel my best. Give me vitamins. We're gonna take these friends away.
Alright, every other lot was full, so we're going to Bear Peak.
What?
What? I actually think this might be the move. This is way closer. Even the overflow lot's way closer.
I have to get back at the end of the day. Although there is a shuttle.
No. Just go to the top and then you ride down here.
I think it's easier to get back to Bear Peak from Attitash than it is to get back to Attitash from Bear Peak. You feel?
Yeah, probably.
Like it's just that one cut through, that blue that's like steep.
So I think we do the trail from the summit that we did with Dave. It was scary. He thought he was all scared of.
That's where you want to start?
Yeah.
For some reason I have like a false perception of how steep it was.
I mean, you said it wasn't bad at all when we did it.
Yeah, but I was getting a little coffee. Over you.
Yeah, I was wrong. There's a lot of people over here. Damn it. Maybe it just started.
What?
No, it doesn't make sense either.
He shooting schools up, yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school bus. Dove up in that water.
Going that way?
What?
Going that way, right?
Fucks, you just like to talk a lot. You ain't finna do nothing, they just like to pocket watch. So I got some zippers for 'em. I got P's and zippers for 'em. What they need, I get it for 'em. Don't loud, it's annoying, bitch, you can't ignore it. On that porch, right till early morning, try and get it off. We get chill like Asiago, pockets they on double portion. Bitch, I'm popping like some bubbles blowing. Cuz say he ready, I'm already going. Glock got a red dick like a dog do. She don't play with 19, she might just dog you. Laying white like ice cream, seats look like fondue. Yo bitch say she like me, on high as a kite be. Need some bad little red shit, song like a icy. Bitch, I'm right with 2 and 3, feeling something like Mike B. Chopper tall like Bow Wow, feeling something like Mike B. Song like LeBron with the Cavs made of light seat. I'm already white hoe, I don't need no white bitch. I'm already white bitch.
Morning Star to Cubs cut to barefoot. So Cubs and feet. On the left. Otherwise you'll miss me.
Yeah.
With it, Draco is a fully, we draw down like we some bullets. I been in that field too many years, I ain't no rookie. I been in that field, I'm the boss man. Shoot you in your jaw, fuck up your teeth, now you can't talk again. 5x6, hit his kneecap, now he can't walk again. All they finna say, shouldn't spot on him. Speak on 2 or 3 now, how about deeper than the deep end? I stay out the way, but speak on game, then we creeping. I pulled up with this 223 and hit your, yo. One take, bitch. That's on the whole L. Free 3, free Steve. God, bitch.
Yeah, need the rest of me, you know I'm a crush. I bent more street than sesame. At MOI, I chew my mustard. Since elementary, I knew I was finna kill these son. I put the jug on Hitler soda with an elbow, they want funny. Trapping, turning tricks, run like a rabbit to that money. Black than a bitch, I'm quite the type of little bunny. Spanish so crack the bitch, and yellow money monsters. I remember when the bitch said I'm gonna rinse out a boy, bitch, don't love my mother. I admit I said a lot of dumb ass shit when I was younger. I ain't used to get down with brown bitches, but now I love it. What you think if we change the 19 to 1800? And then you grow some dreads and down real, you look like Jason. Nigga, fuck that.
Not that packed. All right. Are you under it?
Oh no, that's so cool. Like, look at my leg. Where we got something?
Look, it's lonely at the top, lot of people are watching and want me to flop. I'm telling the kids if I can do it, then anyone can. Car came from
You see me over there? Heel starting down.
made me afraid it's gone. Negative press on the shade room, anything good they don't make the blogs. They didn't sit at the table when it was chicken shop, now steak and lobster, edamame and pan Asian cod. First
Loser.
I'll go with the trainers. First time I saw crack I was just 16. Witnessing that at that age was wrong. Detach myself from every emotion, hoping I'll get my paper. One brick phone, one iPhone, no SIM, listening to the same old song. I'm jumping the barriers, if the inspector get on the train I'm gone. Now the wood that I'm in's an impatient, one put my foot on the gas when the light goes amber. Try touch me and guns will shoot, we don't do kung fu, I'm bite like panda. My guy's a convicted criminal, so he gotta hide from cameras. All of my bitches pretty as hell, I could start up a beauty. How'd I end up all the way in Clapham? I started my day in NW2. Delivering food direct to your door, you can leave a review like Deliveroo. Sticks outside for a special occasion. Nank on hip, that's every day. Gotta thank God that I never did. Dark and light, did sell it in twos. Before I got the invite to Mike Rubin's all-white party, 4th of July, I was sat in a trap with a pack all night. Cocaine fragrance, weren't dressed in white. 15 minutes away from the shop, but I said that I'll get there in less than 5. Gives me the ick when girls come around and try too hard to impress their guys. Sat and I told the Sony executive, give me a temper.
My legs are tired.
Okay, ready? There's no line on this one. Okay, so that trail's trash.
That was so fucking bad. Did you see that like on the ice patch, it's all ice, there's nowhere to go, and there's ski patrol. with a person down and out. There was nowhere to go. You could like see, it almost looked like rocks, but apparently
I hit rocks the whole time.
that's what it was. It was fucking rocks.
Yeah.
That trail was so trash. It was screaming. Oh, the person that just fell. Holy shit. That was a mad fall.
Alright, we're going back to Bear Peak.
1800, so like, or no like, in the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love, rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true, that's true. Boy, I'm about my skrilla. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter.
The best part of this is our park is long with this mountain. So we just go to the bar when we're done. What are you listening to?
So good. YouTube. Can you leave your phone open?
No.
Whatever, you don't want my tunes, that's fine. They're pretty epic. Alright, I'm going down the mountain now. Okay, go ahead. Bye.
Bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
Me and all my boys smoking loud. I ain't hearing you. Kodak bring the noise. Every year, Christmas Day, I ain't wanna play with toys. Project Baby came from Hot Wheels to riding in a foreign. And my diamonds come from Tokyo. Yoin. Power high come from Tokyo. I call them Ching Choin. Money growing tree. Can you show me where they grew that bit? You could have a fine that girl, yours switcheroo that bit. Boy, you know that. It's Lil Kodak. You already knew that shit. I'm about my cheese cheddar chip. That codeine, my medicine. Friend to know you, 1800 block. Yeah, I represent. I got lots of guap, that's why I'm arrogant. In the club, poppin' with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love, rockin' on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you.
That one was still good.
It was still good.
It's crazy. There must just been nobody over here.
I know, I don't know why.
I don't know, but we're done.
I really appreciate it. I really do. Majority bitches ain't loyal, they all done been ran through. I stay at it, get at it, work on it, count up and count up and count up. Maybe I sit back and lay back and flick through the channels. I flick through the channel, I'm watching the streets and they know I'm the Xander.
Damn, it's cold.
I'm seeing it.
I let Alexis drive for 3 seconds and she's gone. You can't see it. She was behind the wheel for 3 seconds and pulled over and found a TJ Maxx, and now she's gone. She's in TJ Maxx. Honestly, the snowboarding today was top notch. So I just dropped Alexis off. I'm going to the gym now. I guess this is turning into like a Saturday vlog. I was like ready to move to Florida because I hated the winter so much up here in New England, and doing something or learning a new sport, which for me, I grew up doing it, but like not doing it for 10 years and then getting back into it, definitely taught me that you can have so much more of an appreciation for where you live if you really just buy in to the environment around you and what you can do, and like really take the time to appreciate the fact that we live 40 minutes from some of the best snow mountains in the East Coast. Clean your damn car.
I really appreciate it.
Boy, this is really cool.
I do.
What I want.
Majority bitches ain't loyal, they all done been ran through. I stay at it, get at it, work on it, count up and count up and count up. Maybe I sit back and lay back and flick through the channels. I flick through the channel, I'm watching the streets and they know I'm the Xander. I'm seeing the animosity, the rises, I'm seeing in. I got some homies that just got out, some ones that just went in. The deeper the ocean, the deeper the